Pain with that? No? Pain with that? Yeah. But this doesn't hurt, not this way. Okay. Hips feel okay. I'm gonna try to adjust them now. Okay, press this up into me. Okay, what? What?
Back hurt.
Did it?
My back hurt.
That's good, that's all I needed then. Go on your back. Let it loose. Let it fall, let it fall. Pain? Yeah, that's your meniscus. So this is the hoodie on a male versus a female. I have the white script on the back. So B-Dog kind of hurt himself a little bit at the gym doing deadlifts. Said it was like hurting on the side of his knee. So I did a couple tests. Well, I didn't really even have to do tests. Like you can just feel that it's inflamed and a little bit pissed off on the side of his knee and like on the back of his knee. But I did a couple of tests, pretty much just like twisting the knee to see if that provoked any pain, as well as like the knee drop test, which is like for the meniscus. I think that's what it is. Not that it's like torn, but it's just like a little bit angry. So I did a little bit of muscle work, a little bit of the cupping, and then a few adjustments on the ankle, the hip joint, and the knee joint itself. So now he is doing some stim on it and maybe a little bit of ice. So that's all you can really do, just kind of wait for it to heal. Now can you feel it? Mm-hmm. Okay. Is it too much?
It goes in between from cramping right away to not.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh my god.
Not being over dramatic at all.
We're gonna watch the Avengers movie before we go see the, what's the new one called? The newest one? We're going to see. Whatever. The
Infinity Wars.
Infinity Wars.